Okay, column addition with exchanging. This is for students who've just finished year 1. Now they're going into year 2, okay? So we're gonna start using some formal written methods for addition, and that's what we call column addition, okay? Everything that you should know. Now what your child is learning here is exchanging 10, okay? So to add 2-digit numbers in columns, exchanging 10s for 1s, for 1 10 when the 1s make 10 or more, okay? Bridging 10 before, the formal method, which we're getting into now, comes next. 10 1s are worth the same as 1 10. So that place value, which has been taught now for a while already by this stage, using, again, concrete manipulatives, often things like base 10, which we have at my school as well. Really, really important to have that full number sense of what these numbers are actually worth, okay? Here you have it. This would be a base 10 example. So you have your 10s here representing 47, 4 10s, 7 1s, 36, 3 10s, 6 1s. And what we're basically doing is working with the 1s here. How many more? We can take 3 1s, pop them with the 7 and make another 10. That's basically what we're talking about. And that's where the little 1 comes in, which we'll have a look at in our written method in a minute. So yeah, 7 and 6, 13, exchange the 10 1s, yeah, for 1 10, leaves 3 over. And that's what this looks like here. So 47 add 36. So first we're doing the 7 add the 6, 7 add 6 is 13. Now the 3 goes in the 1s, okay, and the 10 goes up here. Now this is part of the 10s. That's where the exchange has happened. That's what that 1 is there. Then when you come over to the 10s, you're going to do 4 add 3 is 7, but not forgetting the extra 10, which brings us to 8, okay? Our turn, all right? Let me show you this in action. I've got my pen here. 1s first. 8 add 5 is 13. Pop the 3 in here and bring the 1 across. We've exchanged and got a 1 there. 3, 4. 28 add 15 is 43, okay? Give that a wipe off. Okay, the mistake, what children can often do, okay? So 7 add 6, they will do, oh, that's 13. Now 4 add 7, 4 add 3 is 7 and get the answer of 713. What they've forgotten to do, if I can find my tissue to clean the TV, is exchange. 7 add 6 is 13, 3 goes in here and 1 up here. 4 add 3 is 7, add 1 is 8, and that will get you the actual correct answer, okay? But the conceptual understanding of exchanging the 1s for a 10 is really, really important. Okay, got the challenge here, I can do another one. 6 add 7, we've got 13 again, 3 in here, 1 up here. If they weren't sure about 13, remember, okay, 6 add 7, all right? 7, I've got 6, 2 3s. I'd always start with the larger number when bridging across 10, because you've got less way to go. 3 and 3, 7 add 3 is 10, add another 3 is 13, 1 and 3, 5, this is worth 50, okay? So 50 are 20, 70, and 80. There's the 8 in there as well, okay? I've got the wrong... What have I done there? Okay. Oh. Lovely. Try this at home. The Thai money system is actually brilliant for this, okay? Very similar to the English money system. In Thailand, you have your 1 baht coins. Get your 1 baht coins, exchange them for a 10 baht coin, okay? We have the same in England. We have 1 penny coins, exchange them for a 10 pence piece as well. Actually, the Thai money system is really, really good for teaching place value because you've got your 1,000 baht note, 100 baht note, 50 baht, 10 baht, and so on and so forth. So it's actually really, really good to help. Let your child make the swap. Did we need to exchange? Yes, we did, okay? 1s first, 7 add 6 is 13. Exchanging, the 10s then become a 1. So making that change, 13 1s, change 10 of them, bring them up here. 3 left over. Doing the exchange and add the 10s, what you've got left over at the end. And that is how you do column addition with a really good conceptual understanding of place value.